Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. So we had solid swing trades, 3 picks that I called out last week. Now that the market's jumped up, we got a nice profit take on those. So let's jump into it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So the first one we're going to take a look at is going to be Boeing, BA. We saw the stock go down, a lot of news that was going on, potentially getting bailed out or whatever it is that's going on. We're seeing the company came down due to the history with their planes not performing well, and also the shutdown with the airlines and all the tickets, cancellations and everything. So we saw the stock go down overall. So let's pull that up. So we have Boeing here. Let's take a look at the 1-year chart. So what happened on this one? Once it loads up, we can see that it dropped all the way from about 350, a little bit over 350, all the way from 400 in April to May to about below 100 to 89. So let's jump into this. So when I saw this potential breakdown, I saw that whenever it was breaking below 100, that's a whole number. So whenever we see that in the market, we see a big drop or even a big run up, we like to play the whole numbers well. So when I saw a flush below 100, I was looking for entry. So I got in a little bit early on this one. I got it at 129. I re-entered on this one at 129, and then it came down below, so added more 105, and last add was about 90, about 93, 94. And what happened? Look at this big run up. It's about 168, 169 today. So that's about 50 to 60 to even $70 per share profit, depending on where you got it. But called it out for free in the chat room. Link in the description if you want to join the chat room for free to get these live trade alerts. And then the next one was going to be SQ. So last week I added at 41s, and then I added at 36.17. So those alerts are right over here. SQ got in at 41s and then added more 36.17. And let's take a look at the SQ chart. So on this one, I saw the Fibonacci chart. Again, this one is free in the chat room. It's in the education tab if you want to pick that up and add it to your Thinkorswim chart. So added at 36.17, initial was 42. So when I saw this bounce off of there, I saw that 40 was the whole number, flushed down to 32, couldn't break below, and look at this big gap up. As soon as I saw it breaking over 45, I saw that the next resistance was all the way at 53.91. Why did I alert profits on this one? Because I'm expecting markets to go down again. So if you got it at 41s and then 36.17, average would have been in between 38. Let's just say 40 worst case. That's nice $15 per share profit. So last one was Disney. So we saw the part close down, and I saw that has a huge potential to pick it up. And what happened? Broke through this resistance and went above. Again, whole number. Just broke below 80, didn't go much below that 0%, the retracement on this one. And then what happened? It jumped back up nicely. So let's pull up the normal chart on this one, and we see a MACD curl up, and we see break over 9 EMA. We see a nice break of the whole number at 100. That's why I alerted profits on this one. Of course, these are long-term investing alerts, but we can also play them by the opportunity that it creates for us. So what happened? Entry was about 94.92. I alerted this right last week, right over here, 94.92, March 17th. So about 7-8 days to hold on that one. It's over 101, so that's about $5 to $6 per share profit. So all in all, these are huge swing trades, even for long-term investment. If you pick them up, I'm sure these stocks can double, triple, quadruple over time, but we're playing the opportunity in the short to mid-term. So taking profits on this is not a bad idea. So those are the 3 big swing trades that we had. And also looking at SPY, we're seeing a nice gap up on this one. And lastly, we got a nice short on BA. So I was using that new script that I created. I've been testing it out. So as soon as I saw it breaking that 171 area, I was looking for a big flush down. So what happened on this one? I alerted this short today on BA, shorted at 170.1.1, and then I was looking for 165 to 167 exit because that's where my script has the support over there. What happened? Went up a little bit more, so I added to the 173.6. It couldn't break over that high resistance right over here. You see the big candle. It couldn't break over that, so 173.7 was a high and flushed down all the way to about 167s. That's where my profit target was, 165 to 167. And what happened? I took profits on this one at 166.3. So that's about $4 to $5 per share profit on that one if you caught the short. Worst case, you could have got it at 170 off the whole number break, and you could have taken profits at 166.3. So $34 per share profit potential on that one. So again, if you want to find trades like these, like me or PJ or any of the admins in the chat room that called out alerts, make sure to head over to the course tab. And this is a course that I have. It's on sale for 40% off right now. And you can head over to pinnacletrading.us, join the chat room for free to receive all these free live trade alerts right here. And if you want to check out the course, which is 40% off right now, that's the course section. And again, it's 40% off until the end of the month. So about 5-6 days left to grab that discount. So if you like this video and if you like being in the chat room, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, make sure to comment below what type of videos you'd like to see or in the future, or what you want me to cover in the market wise. Again, hope you all have a great trading week. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I wish you all the best of luck in this great market opportunity that's going on right now.